How to fade multiple audio at once with macros in Audacity. To begin, I have 10 audio files and I want to fade in and out them and store the result. From Tools menu, click on Macro Manager. Click on New button and enter a name for the macro. Select the new macro and click on Insert button. Click on any of the commands and press S key, which is the first letter of select command, to find it. Select the select command and click OK. Double-click on the select command to open its properties. Set start time to 0 and end time to 2 and click OK. This will select the first 2 seconds of the audio. Now select End and click on Insert button again. Find Fade in command and add it. Once again select the End and click on Insert button. Find and add the select command again. Double-click on the select command, set relative to project end, and click OK. Now the last 2 seconds of the audio is selected and it's time to fade it out. Select the end again and click on Insert button. Insert a fade out command. Select the end again and click on Insert button. This time add Export as Wave command. Here, we select the first 2 seconds of the audio, fade it in, then select the last 2 seconds of the audio, fade it out, and at last save the file. At last, save this macro and close this window. Now go to Edit Preferences. In the Directory Settings, click on Browse button next to Macro Output. Navigate to the location you want to save the files and click on Select Folder. Now just go to Tools, Macro Manager. Select your macro, then click on Files button. Navigate to the location where your files need fading stored and choose them. Now close this window. And now all of my 10 audio files are going to fade in and out and be stored in the macro output location. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.